good, but baby we'll fall. We all go dancing down, and paradise is found.
Alright guys, so we ended up cutting the frame right there and right here. So that spot right there, there's a factory weld, so it's okay. And then right here we took out the rivets, the factory rivets, and that's how it's coming out. We're missing a whole bunch of parts here. These are old pieces. And then right here we have the crossbar for the radiator, and we have the other piece for the other side where the light and the fender mounts. Aside from that, we're gonna have the car welded right there, professionally welded, and then all of that, all the rivets, factory rivets, we're gonna have them welded as well. That should be it for the frame then. Lots of work lately. Then after we're done with this, we're gonna jump right into the engine. And for this we have to fix this side right here. I don't know if you can see how it's cracked back there. And there's another spot somewhere. Also up here, that's the timing cover. You can see how it's cracked right there too. So that'll be it. Also, I'm gonna get a lightweight front pulley, and most likely I'll get a lightweight flywheel as well. We're gonna be taking this off in order to take the head off, so I really want to powder coat this red. It's just, you know, one of those things. Plus 100 horsepower and plus 1,000 rise points. So yeah, that's basically all the work we have done on the car lately. Everything so far is coming out really good. Aside from that, car's looking okay. And then right there you can see how much that tire pokes out compared to the door. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on anything else. Alright guys, so this is what we're gonna use to cut the frame, to measure the frame width. So it literally works like this. Like, pull it from here, and it kind of goes and tells you how measure what size it has, like how long it is or whatever, like the cross measurement. And right here, this is what's left of the frame. Most likely all of that is gonna go on sale. That's the whole complete left side. This is half of the right side. That back there, there's just some old pieces that's not from this car, so I already got that in today.